How to fix Gmail storage full not receiving emails on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix Gmail storage full and not receiving emails on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your Gmail account storage is full and you've not been receiving emails on your iPhone, it's very simple. All you have to do is clear up your Google Drive storage. Because your Gmail is your Google account, your Google account comes from Google Drive storage. Whatever data such as Google Sheets, Google Contacts, Google Photos and Google Mail, they are all stored inside of your Google Drive. And if your Google Drive storage is full, either you have to create a new account or either you have to empty your storage. So basically just make sure that the correct Google account is selected, as you can see here. And just one thing I'd recommend you do is just try to clear all of these as well if you want to, because sometimes clearing all the emails inside of a Gmail app could also help you solve a problem. After you've done that, open the Google Drive app, or you can download them from your Play Store or App Store. Once you open the Google Drive app, make sure that you're logged into the correct account in this case. So once you've done that, so let me also go ahead and do that. Once you've logged into the account, here you should be able to see all of the different types of specific type of Gmail Drive storage. So right over here you can see 15 gigabytes is offered by default by Google, and if this storage is full you will no longer receive emails. So you want to make sure to select it, figure out what is really there. If there is any type of Google Photos, go ahead and empty that storage. If there is unnecessary trash files bin, you can empty your Google Drive storage, and then after you've done that, only you will be able to receive mails. Or if all of the data is important to you, you can just try to upgrade your plan. So hope this video helped you guys as to how you can fix Gmail storage full not receiving emails on iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.